inside of me that can never be viewed. I cannot find a way to untangle my heart from yours. I bleed for the pain you caused me. Back then you pretend like my wounds were your own. The ghost of you is everywhere. Oh no, no, the ghost of you is in my head. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The ghost of you is everywhere. It's everywhere. It's everything. It's all I see. A ghost of you. It told me to wait and now you left me alone. You told me to stay and now you left me. You have been acting way. All this while I waited 6 months and you're not back. I gave a kiss to my heart and then you played with it. You think it's easy for me to cope without you? Now I'm stuck in the middle, seeing the ghost of you. How do I glow back everything